All right, now we're doing exponential functions basic, and we're doing money put in the bank, earning interest. So here we go. We got $3,600 placed in the account with an annual interest rate of 9%. How much will be in the account after 25 years? Okay, so the amount, this is our formula, the amount times 1 plus because it's interest and it's rising or it's gaining. All right, and then the rate times the time or in years. All right, so our amount is 3,600 parentheses 1 plus. Our rate is 9%, and then we need to put that in decimal form, and that's going to be 0.09 parentheses. And then our years, 25 years. That's going to be our exponent. And all we've got to do is put that in our calculator. So 3,600 parentheses 1 plus 0.09 parentheses. Then we hit this button to make our exponent, and 25, and then hit enter. And that gives us $31,043 or $31,043.09. They want it to the nearest cent, so the next number out here is a 3, so we don't have to round up. So $31,043.09 is our answer. All right, we got another problem. So again, our formula is the amount times 1, and here, since it's a bank account, money's growing, plus, then our rate, and then our time is the exponent. Okay, so $7,900 is our amount we're putting in. 1 plus our rate is 5.5%. We've got to convert that to decimals. So that's going to be 0.055 as a decimal. Parentheses, and then our time after 11 years. So after 11 years goes there. And then we just put it in our calculator. So 7,900 parentheses 1 plus 0.055 parentheses, and then hit our button to make an exponent, and then it's after 11 years. We hit enter, and that's going to give us $14,236, and here we may have this 0.529. Now, since they want it rounded up to the nearest cent, we look at this number right here. It's higher than 5, so we're going to have to round the 2 up. So our answer is going to be $14,236.53. So if we put $7,900 into account with annual interest rate of 5.5%, we'll have that much in the account after 11 years. We don't add anything else. All right. This is actually somewhat useful. All right. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.